Hello everyone, let's solve this problem. In this problem, a ball is thrown vertically up with a velocity of 30 meters per second from the position A. You can see here that the position A is 60 meters up from the ground. So I will write here the initial velocity is 30 meters per second. The height of this cliff is 60 meters. So we have to find what will be the time required to reach this ball on the ground. And also we have to calculate the height h. So in this problem, we can use the normal formula for the y is equal to v naught multiplied by t plus half gt square. See here that we assume the datum from the position A. So if we have to write the height y, I will write the minus 60 meters because it is minus from my datum or reference point. In projectile motion, the datum or reference point plays an important role. So when you are solving any problem from the projectile motion, please make your reference or datum at the beginning of solution. So I have solved this problem equation here, that is minus 60 is equal to 3 multiplied by t plus half gt square. To solve this equation, manually you can multiply it by 2 and you can simplify this equation. Once the equation is simplified by any method you can use scientific calculator to get the value of this time t. Here this is quadratic equation, so time will have two values. One is positive and another one is negative, so negative value is not feasible. So we will use the positive value for the time, that is 7.70 seconds. Now our objective is to find the height h. It means that maximum height it reached the ball. So in this case, we will use simple formula v square is equal to v initial square plus 2ay. But you know that at apex position in projectile motion, the velocity is how much? Is 0. So we can say that v max is 0 here. So let's write the formula v square max is equal to v square plus 2ay, and the y I will call this maximum height. Okay, so v square is 0, v naught is 30 given in this problem, and 2 multiplied by 9.81 because the all motion is because of the gravitational acceleration. And here y max is, guys, it is h. So let's simplify here, and we are calculating at the apex position. So we will consider that this acceleration is negative. At that moment we will assume that it is going upward, and at the maximum position gravitational acceleration is minus because it's moving upward direction. So now you will solve it and you will find the value for h, which is 45.9 meters. So this is the simple solution. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Have a great time.